Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer BNB and Metamask. Let's start. So MetaMask, guys, is just like any other wallets, any other crypto wallets that you can have to store all your cryptos in just one place. Okay, so some people are using Trust Wallet, and there's like actually a lot of wallets in the market. But what I know, I mean, just based on personal experience, MetaMask wallet sometimes is commonly used because if they want to purchase, say, for example, through PancakeSwap or most of NFT games, they're actually working on a MetaMask. So a lot of people actually is using this. So now I'm gonna show you how to transfer BNB. So there are two ways why you would need to transfer BNB. One would be, you cannot withdraw or you cannot convert your BNBs here to fiat just using MetaMask. You need to transfer it to an online exchange platform like Binance or Coinbase, and you can actually get your BNB wallet there for them to receive the BNB from MetaMask wallet. So say for example, this one, if I would need to transfer, of course, what you need to select would be send. So once you send, so given that, say for example, if I already have the address, I can just paste that here and then, just hit on next. So just put, the amount of your BNB. So for example, I'm just gonna use whatever I have here. But take note, guys, that when you transfer BNBs, there are network or gas fees that's going to be included. So in this case, I don't need to transfer. I'm just showing you this for tutorial purposes. So when you do send, um, whatever address that you're using here, you'll be able to receive your BNB. You could also do transfers, guys, within inter wallet. So say for example, if you have other accounts in your MetaMask, you can definitely do that as well. So in my case, I have other account on my MetaMask. So say I went to account 2. If I want to know what's my wallet address for BNB, just hit on receive here. And then you can just click on the small button here that says copy. Okay. And then if you want to go back to your account 1, and then if you want to transfer, then just do the same process. Just paste your wallet there, and then you could transfer it to your account 2. All right? So I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.